Yo, good morning, my people. Welcome back to the show. We are live. We're back. We are better than ever. Put that on the canvas. Either way, I did no stream yesterday because, I just don't stream on Wednesdays. Today's Thursday. Today, we finna make some money. That's what we gotta do. We just gotta make money. And no camera today. I got some stuff going on in the background. I'm cooking some food and stuff, so I'm gonna be running back and forth to my kitchen from my room. So just to save myself a headache of trying to put on my be right back, for the sake of this, I'm just gonna keep the charts on and run back and forth. I'll just mute myself in between going back and forth and whatnot. But yeah, y'all, enjoy the show. Welcome to the show. We have market open in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Oh man, I got a full port. I'm missing out. No. I gotta go crazy. I gotta be a DJ. Nah. But it is nice to be able to. I took yesterday. I requested a $1,500 payout. It got approved like instantly, which is great. I've got some more Apex evals I gotta be trading. So this one I managed to make about $316 overnight. Probably try to bring it back up to 2K if I can. Today that's make another 700. But today's focus is gonna be on this bad boy. That's the goal for today, and then we'll trade the others as we see fit. I haven't really been touching these other ones though, to be honest, like 81, 82. They've kind of just been sitting here. I just haven't really traded it because by the time I'm done trading one account, I'm so fried that I'm just like, I don't want to trade them, especially not being in the right mental headspace. I kind of just look at it like, hey, let's not dig dig a hole any deeper. But yesterday I had a daily loss limit on one account. I think that was actually it was this account. No, it was 74. But then came back, made some money on 75. So we are good there. That one's above the buffer. But today's goal right now is to try to get to a payout on 71. That's what I'm looking to do now. Got about 8 minutes until market open. Let's just take a look at what we're looking at on the day. Because yesterday was just a full-on bull move. Like it sold at the market open, looking like it was going to go down. It held support, and then it just proceeded to rocket right up. And we just absolutely blasted high. So the question is, are we going to see 29,000 today? I mean, it's not out of reach, but this has been a whole nasty move, man. Sometimes I'm like, I wish I could just read the market or see the future or whatever. Just you take a long here, down here, catch the bottom, you're still holding for the couple of the month. Jeez, that's 7,000 6,000 points, basically. I mean, almost about 6,000. How much would that be anyways? Multiply that. If you trade just one contract, you're up 130 G's. But if you trade 5, that's 100. You're making 650,000. That's insane. That would be lovely to be making that money. Also, I will be, like I said, traveling back and forth between my bedroom and my kitchen because I'm cooking my potatoes. But this is where we're at on the daily chart. Let's go ahead and bump this back down to the 3-minute. Thankfully, my VWAP is here today, so definitely thankful for that. Where are my pivots? There we go. Got a pivot point up here, 28,920. We have a pivot down here. We still do have a gap that has not been filled, though, ladies and gentlemen. This gap right here. it is 28,213 to basically 28,242. So that's about like a give or take a 20 point, 20 to 30 point gap that has not been filled. And look where we are at in relation to that. Way up here. So when we do go fill it, I have a feeling like it's just going to be a nasty drop. Like it's not going to even be as small. It's just like might get some more news or something, and then it just proceeds to absolutely nuke to the downside. Right now, we're just chilling here. 28,755. We're about to open up in 6 minutes. If you have not already, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe as well, because we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and you don't want to miss that. Actually, if you do subscribe, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss it. Because I would hate to be that guy that subscribes, looking forward to entering it, and then you miss the notification. And you're like, yo, you come in one day and you're like, hey, man, I heard the review's going on this week. I'm like, we had it yesterday. You're like, what? I didn't know. Should have turned on that bell. Gosh. Four minutes. We'll be right back, folks. We will be right back. Back. I wonder if today's going to be one of those days where we just close our eyes and go long again at the market open. You know what I'm saying, people? Is it one of those days again? Gonna be interesting. Gonna be interesting. One minute to open. So down here we rejected, made new highs overnight. kind of crazy during London session. Asia session, we kind of tanked down a little bit. Wow, I actually caught this bottom too. That's insane. Well, I took a short here on the other account, and I took profit perfectly. Market just proceeded to rally way to the moon. But we are opening up. We got 20 seconds. Make sure my brackets are set correctly. Everything looks good. We're in the right account. All right, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, premature open. We opened up a few seconds before. What the heck is that all about? Is it gonna just fake bounce off here? We're gonna get this. Let's see what ES is doing. Yesterday, though, I will say, Nasdaq and ES were just like had the huge just like divergence. Because ES during the morning sold, but ES was just making highs and highs. I was like, oh man, Nasdaq was lagging behind. All right, both are moving in the same direction. Beautiful, beautiful. Do we want to come test this level again here at 28,640? Oh, here we go again. A fake sell at the open, and then we're just gonna keep rallying up. Nope, we are continuing to go down. Good. Let's make sure ES is following the same suit. Both holding up here. Major support. Bulls are wanting, I mean, bulls are definitely aggressive. They want to push it. They want those highs. They just want to keep rallying this to the moon. Rejection off of VWAP. Too bad I don't just take it, because that would have been perfect, eh? So we're not getting quite the move to the upside. I think the bears are winning right now, so I'm looking to take a short to go along with the trend, or whatever little trend there is. Nope, this closest green, not gonna be good for the bears. Got 30 seconds. Looks like the bulls are coming back in, trying to take over. ES is still tanking, so Nasdaq is opposite of ES now. So what does that mean? What does that indicate? All right, bearish close, good. ES is looking better for a short than Nasdaq right now. Bulls are definitely going to be aggressive. There we go. What would that be at? Okay. ES still falling. Nasdaq going up again. We have a divergence between the two this morning. Ugh. Is it going to be like yesterday, where ES just continues going down, and then Nasdaq goes up for a bit? It'll do the opposite, and then Nasdaq will decide to come and catch up. Either way. I'm gonna take a jab short here. See if we can get this up. 10-point pop to the bottom here. Back to 50-50. 50-50. All right. Let's go bears. Get a little bit of juice coming in. Yes, go down. Take NASDAQ with you. Come on, NASDAQ, sell off the face. Jump off the moon. I don't like that. I'm gonna kill right there. We'll take quick $30, $26. I gotta check my potatoes anyways. I'll be right back, folks. Oh, we'll be right back. All right, we're back. What did I miss? Nothing. We're not making weeks. They try to make new highs. I want to take a short here. Like it, ES is moving down, so can get Nasdaq to fill me in. Would love to see us just cave right here. Absolute just tank. All the way down to 700s. That would be a beautiful trade. Of course, I'm going to take profit earlier if this market, if it wants to do some stupid stuff. Definitely a good move for me to take a little profit earlier because I would have gotten stopped out. So now I'm going to hold this. Looking to see this drop. Hopefully it doesn't come back up, right? We'd love to just see us continue just flushing right here. All the way down to 700. That would be absolutely amazing. Continue this flush. We got ES hanging out at the lows. So want to see us just continue falling here. Get down, get low, get jiggy with it. If this flips green, that's not going to be beautiful, but I think we are in the clear for now. We got ES South coming through, so I think testing the bottoms down here shouldn't be too out of the question. Question is, can we just go do that right now? Market's going to try to flip up. But want to see us continue again the stream to the south side. You got ES pulling back up a little bit, so that's going to hold it up. Bulls are trying to step in. Let's go, Bears. Let's get this step through here. Continue flushing down to 700s. Actually, I don't think I need 700s. Yeah. So, yeah. Can we continue getting this flush to 700? Let's go push strong. At this point, I'm moving this to break even. 700 is going to be a little bit of a fight here. I can kind of tell already. But we're at break even now. Can we get a little bit more of a push to the downside? Let's go, Bears. Come on. Don't play this crap. Oh, this is gonna fall in reverse. Boo. Looked like it had it. I think we still have some juice left. We can flip this red again. Get this push back one more time to the downside. Let's get the bears to come through here. Push it down, push it down. Bulls are trying to come through. Can we get the bears to keep flushing? Is the ultimate question. ES broke the lows, but now it's chopping. Ugh, come on. There we go. Let's push again. Can we get this next candle to print? That prints to get to sell with it. There we go. 710s again. Let's keep going. Let's go to 700s. There we go. There we go. There we go. Seven 12s. We got to break 10. Let's go break it right here. Bulls are trying to push up. Let's get one more test. back to 700s. Please, NASDAQ. There we go. Flush it back down. Don't start trapping here just yet. Not just yet. We got the lows down here, 700. I mean, if this flips, if they just fully engulf this, that means that the bulls have taken control again. I don't want that to happen, right? Obviously. Oh man, they might just be doing that. Crap. Oh, yo, that was nasty. Are we really about to get this fully engulfed? Come on, Bears. Think y'all still got it. Bears still got it. Let's not... We gotta have diamond hands. Good. ES continue to go back down. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's get this sell again. New 5-minute. Do we have news coming out? Anybody know? Oh man, the bulls are gonna come back up. Oh, that is nasty, dude. Well, we were up $1,000 at one point, and it looks like the bulls are gonna kick them over. I'm probably gonna take this break-even trade here. Oh man. Well. Will the Bears have enough juice to save it? Can we just engulf this back down here? Bulls are trying to step through. Would be neat if we can just get this engulfed, this bearish engulfed candle, just rip right back down here. Break past this wick here, flush it below the 20s, and we just continue falling back down to 700. Just rip the bull's face right off. Oh, they're trying to play this game. Come on, Bears. Need you to come through. Yeah, it's not looking good for this trade. Guess I should have took that $1,000. Guess I should have taken that $1,000. That's tough. Oh, and break even. Wow. Oh, that's tough. That is tough. Well, that's what I get for being greedy. What, now it's gonna tank? I'll take the short again. Let's see if we can get this. It's probably a dumb trade now. Yeah, definitely dumb. Dude, what a reversal. I was up 1,000 and I wanted to be greedy for the extra few points. Now I'm gonna eat it. Oh shoot. Good old NASDAQ. I'm about to get stopped out here. Alright. Lovely. Was up 1,000 to now being down 400. What a nasty reversal. But shoot, I'm not. Yeah, I'm definitely getting heated, so I'm just gonna call this here now, dude. Gosh. All right.